Hey there! Let's talk about something exciting today. How to make money with YouTube. YouTube isn't just for cat videos, makeup tutorials, and epic fail compilations. It's a billion-dollar platform where everyday people are turning their creativity into cash. Don't believe me? Fun fact, the highest paid YouTuber in 2023 made $54 million and they weren't even an adult. Yep, kids unboxing toys are living the dream while we're out here paying bills. So, how can you get in on the action? Whether you're an aspiring creator or just YouTube obsessed, stick around because I'm breaking down 7 fun ways to earn money with YouTube. 1. Ad revenue. The classic way to earn. YouTube ads are the bread and butter of most creators. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and start making money from ads. Humor hook. Translation. Make a killer video, get people to watch it, and suddenly you're getting paid to entertain and annoy them with mid-roll ads. Winning. Pro tip. Focus on creating content that keeps viewers watching. Longer views equals more revenue. 2. Sponsored content. Get paid by brands. Once you've built an audience, brands will start knocking on your virtual door. They'll pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. Example. You know those YouTubers who casually say, "And this video is brought to you by..." Yeah, that could be you. Pro tip. Pick sponsorships that match your niche. If you're reviewing tech, promoting luxury candles might confuse your audience. 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you recommend. Affiliate marketing is perfect for creators of all sizes. You promote products using special links, and when your viewers buy, you get a commission. Engaging angle. Basically, you're like an online shopping BFF. I got this camera and it's amazing. Here's where to get it. Boom. Cha-ching. Pro tip. Platforms like Amazon Affiliates or Share a Sale make it easy to get started. 4. Sell your own products or merchandise. Got a catchphrase or a unique brand? Turn it into merch! T-shirts, mugs, or even digital products like ebooks or courses are all great options. Fun twist. Remember, you're not just selling a mug, you're selling a piece of you. Coffee tastes better when it's in your personalized merch. Scientifically proven. Not actually proven, but hey, it's fun to believe. 5. YouTube Premium revenue. YouTube Premium members don't see ads, but creators still get paid based on watch time from premium viewers. Think of it as bonus money for being awesome. Humor hook. It's like finding cash in your pocket that you didn't even know you had. 6. Super chats and memberships. If you love live streaming, super chats let your audience tip you during streams. With memberships, loyal fans can pay for exclusive perks like custom emojis or behind-the-scenes content. Relatable example. It's like being a virtual street performer, but instead of a hat, your tip jar is digital, and people send emojis to say thank you. 7. License your content. Got a viral video? News outlets, TV shows, or other creators might want to license your footage. You get paid every time they use it. Engaging twist. Remember that time your dog accidentally skateboarded into the pool? Yeah, that clip could pay your rent. And there you have it. 7 fun and effective ways to make money with YouTube. Whether you're building a channel from scratch or looking to level up, these strategies work for everyone. Now, here's your homework. What's your YouTube niche going to be? Are you the next gaming guru, DIY queen, or food critic? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's turn your passion into profit and make 2024 your YouTube breakthrough year. Let's go!